Hi, my name's Geck, and I'm an industry fellow in interior design in the School of Architecture and Urban Design. And I'm an artist working primarily with textiles and code to produce interactive surface encounters. So I'm interested in making installations and experiences that connect to my PhD research into somatic XR. So I'm interested in how materialities meet materials that are digital, physical, and corporeal, and how they might meet in augmented and virtual reality encounters. My work is related to the network through my interest in soma aesthetics and technology. So I'm interested in how somatic experience can be a design material, and how we might work with first-person subjective experiences when designing technological encounters. And I'm also interested in the material surfaces of these encounters. So how the aesthetics and felt experiences of surfaces might contribute to technological experiences. An exciting project that I'm working on at the moment is a major commission with the University of Queensland Art Museum. And it's for a group show in two parts that broadly explores the social effects of network culture. And so I've made a website which explores somatic browsing atmospheres. And the second part of the show is a large-scale installation in the gallery next year, which is a big augmented reality experience where augmented reality wallpaper can be activated through device-based AR. And that encourages the audience to engage in mindful somatic encounters with their device in the space. My dream project would be to embed intelligence into the surfaces. So ways to work with intelligent materials to be responsive and to modulate surfaces through physical presence. And I suppose on that, I'm interested in how digital materials might be modulated intelligently through presence in augmented and virtual reality experiences. So I suppose I'm really interested in how, machine learning and algorithmic intelligence might contribute to atmospheres in our technological encounters.